Respected Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi sir, Namaskar. You are one of the most popular Prime Ministers across the globe. And especially from the Gulf region, we have to say, you have recreated a new era of cordial relationship between India and Gulf after a long period of around 4 decades. Thank you so much. And in between this COVID period, you have declared the lockdown and it is moving amazing forward. Everybody is accepting the concept. You have extended, and if you want to further extend the lockdown, people will follow you, they will obey you. But in between, as you know, around 30 million expatriate Indians are living in this planet Earth across various places. You cannot bring back entire 30 million people as part of evacuation during this COVID period. But something you can do with your signature, sir. The most important is you have to show that the government is with expatriates in their crisis period. Only for showing that olive leaf, the sign of peace, the sign of tolerance, accepting the downtrodden or the needy, at least one flight full of expatriates, around 200 people, you can easily manage to show your dedication towards expatriate Indians. Why we are mentioning about United Arab Emirates? You have great relationship with United Arab Emirates, and the largest Indian expatriate community in this earth is living in United Arab Emirates with 3.5 million in numbers. From this community, at least 200 people, senior citizens or people of various chronic diseases or pregnant ladies or kids who have completed their studies and waiting for more openings or studies, higher studies in India. These kind of people, just a cross section of 200 people, if you can take and test if they are landing in India, what will be the changes in the equilibrium of the present situation? What is the problem they will add, they may add in the present situation in India? At least that testing is important for us. This is not only a matter of 200 people. We have to feel that somebody is taking care of our grievances, our concerns, our sorrows at the needy time, and we can understand the limitations. But 3.2 million square kilometers of land space is there, 135 crore population is there. So adding 200 or 400 or 1000 people to that statistics will not change the equilibrium that we understand. We all are waiting for your signature. All the missions in United Arab Emirates, Indian Consulate in Dubai, Indian Embassy in Abu Dhabi, organizations, flights, chartered flight companies, travel agents and people are ready to be on board for this purpose. We request you, at least as a test, please do with your signature, with your mass popularity towards the Indian expatriates living outside the country. We expect a cordial test phase from your side. If this 200 people landing in India can derail the equations, we are ready to accept your verdict. Thank you so much. We hope you will do the needful signature from your side to adjust with our sorrows and agonies. Thank you so much, sir.